Hey guys, it is SDF Master here, and today we're back for some other Roblox. But today I wanted to make a group for all the SDF Master pals and stuff like that. What? So, okay, so how do you make your own, oh, there we go, create. Oh, Builders Club, dang it. So I might get Builders Club soon, guys. I think I have enough for it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play some games. I don't know what game, but we'll play something. But we play Roblox High School. That's nice. So I got a new motorcycle. I haven't been able to ride it yet. So yeah, and after that, did I actually just accidentally just join Janie's game because she's my friend. So we're gonna go to the alleys. Yeah. Oh, there we go. RLP. That's a lot of loyalty points. Go. That's my dog, I think, if you guys can hear roughing. Jeez, it's a lot. It has to be something good. Oh, that's nice. Sweet. Let's go. Who? Little Wolf Girl? I feel like I'm new. Is Little Wolf? Oh, I thought Little Wolf. Oh, I thought it was Little Wolf Girl. Oh my god, that's part 5. I hope that catch me. Here's everyone. You want to see my... Oh, come on. I hope there are some really nice principals that say, oh, no school forever, never come back. Like, that'd be awesome. Or if not, we can just play Meep. But I do want to start a group, guys. I do want to get Builders Club. I do. Hey guys, I think I will get Builders Club. I will tell you when I get Builders Club, okay? I'll tell you. I'm sure to get Builders Club, okay? Builders Club. BC, Builders Club. What? Oh, come on. I have internet. Okay, there we go. See? Look how fast that loaded. In that number, oh, when the saints come singing. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh yeah. Okay, while we're waiting, I want to go play some AG because I want to You know, there are like these jam session, not jam session, but I mean like they teach you how to draw stuff on AJ. So I want to take a little class on that, and then then I can wait to have my masterpiece approved, and then I think I'll have a lot of likes on it. So yeah, my first thing that has a lot of likes. So logging into AJ right now. Okay, loading rare items. Probably they need to load rare items, please. Yes! I don't know which one did you first. Yeah. Oh, please say it's diamonds. Yes, it's diamonds! I'm not gonna read that message yet because we need to get that. Okay, first it's history. Character. Let me just check out my gear for a second. Lost connection again. Okay, so we need to get to the generalized. Create master lists. So there's some videos. Sketch jam toucan. So we're gonna watch this. Sketch jam toucan. Because I really wanna sketch a toucan. So yeah, guys, looks like I am not gonna be playing Roblox. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get Builders Club though. Do not worry. Pete's sake. And please do not in the comments section ask me who Pete is, or else I will dislike your comment. Okay, guys, just kidding. You can ask me who Pete is, but the thing is, I don't know. Okay, I don't know who Pete is. But people just say for Pete's sake, I'm like, who's Pete? Just to be funny. If you guys want to be funny, you can if you want to. Ah. Is a toucan. What the hell? Oh my god, guys. Look at that. So what we need to do is I think so with blue. Dad. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. So we're back and no. What done? Okay, we need to stop that. Quit. Okay, that was bad, guys. Oh, they finally improved the emoji thing. That's nice. How many is this? 0, come on. I started it. Okay, so so what we need to do is we need to put his tail feathers in the back. Beak. Hey, it is actually going out pretty good. What we do? These. Okay, no. You know what? I'll just make this black. Ah, no. Okay, I'll make this purple. And then I need to go back to painting mode. Do this. We just trace this out. Okay, I'm not a very good tracer. That's good. It just makes me white. Oh my god, guys. This is so frustrating. Ooh, okay, that is good. Good enough. No! What am I doing? Okay, what am I doing? Oh, dang it. Apparently Control Z doesn't work. Oh! Wait, where? Where's the eraser? Pot? No, that's smudge. No, this is bad. Dang it. Okay. No, I don't want to save it. 14 minutes, guys. We have a minute left, I think. We have a minute! Minute! Come on, guys, quick. I try to make all my videos here like 15 minutes because, you know, it's just kind of my rule. we go. Yes! Yes, guys. Cancel. It is. Leave. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed my thing of a toucan. My drawing of a toucan. But bye.